Let us look at how we can use SubD to surface efficiently. First, I'm going to go for a SubD object, something like this. Let's increase it in size a little. I'm going in for a simple scale for the moment. How about 4 times? Now this, if I were to look at it, the shape looks correct, but if I wanted to place diamonds on it, I will not be able to select it seamlessly. What if I wanted seamless work? So I may want to play with any one of these settings on a surface. But this is not a surface, this is subdivision modeling object. So I'm going to go into transform and I'm going to opt for SubD to surface. So if I say select SubD, observe I have got a poly surface out here. Is it good? Yes, the quality is good enough, no worries. Now let's say I want to place stones out here. I can either draw a curve on it using interpolate on surface. Alternatively, I can even opt for extracting an iso curve. So let's say I place this curve out here and I'm going for gem along curve. Set the curve. Let's also set the surface. I think, okay, this is 1.8. I'm going to remove from center. And maybe I can increase the gem size to 2, opting for one prong at the 2 ends. And this is good enough. Now when it comes to my cutters, I may not want the cutters to go through and through. So in this case, I can opt for a custom cutter, or I can reduce and fillet the cutter as well. So let's say my cutter is 60% of this, 0.3. And I'm going to decrease the depth of my cutter. So let's decrease it to, let's say 1.2. If I opt to check it, I'm going to go for Boolean difference. Let's hide this. So I've got good cutters which do not go through the surface, and they have been created using a subdivision object. Creating this particular surface using SubD takes much less time than doing it using the normal curves and surface. So you can create any subdivisional object, convert it to a surface using SubD to surface option, and work on it as you would normally do. For your benefit, we already have created 500 plus motifs that you may work with.